Do you know how the fork for eating Western food is produced? Let's take a look at the fork factory. It starts with a big plate of steel. Two workers push the steel plate into the shearing machine together. There was a clanging sound from the machine. Cut the steel plates into small steel plates 20 centimeters wide. This is all made of 304 stainless steel to ensure products meet relevant quality standards. Next, the steel plate will be cut twice. Cut into smaller pieces to facilitate the next process of production. And here's the press. These little steel plates are punched into a fork model. When stamping, the master worker skillfully flips the steel plate. Greatly improve the utilization rate of materials. After the stamping process is completed, the workers arranged and collected the stamped forks. Take it to the roller for the next process. Put each fork in a roller and roll it 3 or 4 times. The effect of rolling not only flattens the front end of the fork, but it also makes it thinner. After all, forks are thinner at the front end than at the handle. This design allows the forks to be sharper. After the rolling process is completed, the workmen arranged and collected the forks. I'm going to use a press to put the handle of the fork on a die. After stamping, stamp the manufacturer's brand logo on the handle. The handle is then pressed and bent into a certain arc. This is for easier use, and it makes the fork look more beautiful. Then, use another press to cut off the excess raw edge on the front end of the fork, and that gives you the basic outline of the fork. The next step is to slot and shape the plug of the fork. This time also uses a stamping machine. Underneath the press is a 3-bar die. The worker sticks the front ends of forks into the mold one by one. After stamping, the plug of the fork is slotted. The shape of the fork has also been taken on. The next step is polishing. It's a vibration polisher. The worker emptied the fork into the polisher. After a long vibration of the fork and the abrasive inside, can wear off the burrs and capes on the surface of the fork. After polishing, filter out the abrasive. At this time, the fork has been polished and shiny in all directions. Now the workers need to rearrange the forks. Prepare for the next step. Next, use a stamping machine to press and bend the front end of the fork. This is designed to make it easier to eat with a fork. The fork needs to be polished again later. Workers line up forks on shelves. Hold the handle of the fork with a large clip. Reach into the polishing machine for polishing. The fork should be polished on both sides. A polisher polishes the front and back of the fork. The worker takes another polishing machine to polish the fork, which can be seen on the back. The design of the polishing machine is also based on the arc of the front end of the fork. The handle of the fork should also be polished. After the worker removes the clip, leave it to another worker to clamp the front end of the fork. Then the handle of the fork is inserted into the polishing machine for polishing. After this polishing is completed, the worker took the fork out and placed it on a shelf. Put it in the sterilization tank and sterilize the forks. The fork needs to be sterilized many times. The inspection of food-grade tableware is very strict. Only after passing the inspection can it leave the factory. So disinfection is critical. After disinfection, the worker removes the fork from the shelf, neatly placed on the assembly line. Delivery to packaging area. The forks are bagged and packed by specialized packing workers. After packaging, it can be sold out of the factory.